this will probably be a short video, but I wanted to get some footage of some decent action. I didn't plan to record today, but I decided to. It's just stained cargo pants and other whites. Got a free sample of Tide Pods, so I put a Tide Pod in. And since someone told me not to talk during these videos as a recommendation, I will stop talking. And by the way, I have a high voice, but I am a guy. Sorry, my phone had cut out. Also, the dryer is on, so that's why it's this extra noise. some of the better action I've seen. Just a quick cycle overlook. I just cleaned the machine yesterday. When I clean the machine, what I do, I'll have a link down in the description below to clean the machine. I fill it up on bulky bedding cycle, hot water, heavy soy level, fabric softener. Once it fills, I put in a quart of bleach, let it run the cycle for a few minutes. Then I unplug the machine so it doesn't drain, let it sit for about an hour. When I finish the cycle, after that's done, I restart the process with a quart of white distilled vinegar. And then while I do that, I get all-purpose cleaner and a soft, well, not really soft, just this kitchen sponge, and then I scrub down the machine. I think that's enough action. Thank you all for watching.